What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, the LowkeyLegend. Welcome back to a brand new video here, man. I'm gonna be dropping a new series, man. It's gonna be called the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. We're gonna be escaping out of here, trying the best we can to do it, pretty much. This is my first game on ever, man. Let's go ahead and run one as the victim.
You've been captured by the Slaughter family, tied up, tortured, and left for dead. You must do whatever it takes to escape the family's property at all costs.
So there you guys have it. I'm not gonna watch the whole thing. I did run some on the PlayStation 5, but this is my first ever introduction on the PC with this game. I kind of got a little gist of it, but first game reaction video I wanted to make. So here it is, man. If you guys enjoyed, smash a thumbs up. Okay, so we're gonna be going in here solo. We're gonna be running it as Leland. It looks like a lot of these people is gonna be their first game as well, so that should be nice. I'm wondering if I should actually just.
With authority.
Jesus. All right, man. Let's see what happens. Let's have a good game here. All right. A little bit of a glitch to start off here. Again, get going, and
the others.
all right.
This looks promising.
So our goal is to get out of here,
here.
man.
Oh,
help.
what's this?
We're actually gonna chill here for a sec, and I'm gonna grab this toolkit from her as soon as I can.
We never should have come here.
So we just gotta escape, guys. This guy's not good at being quiet.
Keeping this.
Alright, let's keep that latched and go around.
What do we have here?
Okay, this might help the pain.
So I got the lock here to the top of the basement. Alright. So as soon as you open the basement door, I'm assuming
Can I use this?
alright, I got a valve handle. So over there is actually marked. My game can. Oh my god.
Gonna do this! Okay.
Oh man, they got one of our guys, dude. Okay. Well, I have the handle here, so I know the cook is right behind me somewhere. But I have the valve handle, which goes right here. But I do believe I'm gonna need a lockpick. Oh man.
They could be anywhere. I'm too dang old and worn out for this nonsense. Why is this on me to fix?
So that's gonna be able to open this door. But we need a lockpick for that door. There's the grandpa. Damn it. Alright, so one thing I did mess up on is having a lockpick on me.
Too loud. Too loud. Oh, God.
Yes. Use that.
Restart. So they got these wells around the map.
This'll work.
That unfortunately we had to jump in. Oh my God.
There.
Who's this guy?
There they are. Lost him again. I gotta stay hidden. Somehow.
Alright, we got a lot of escape routes, with these two wells being next to us. But I hear a guy over there. I'm gonna have to somewhere.
It's much too quiet. They can't be far.
I think this guy's looking for me.
I gotta stay focused. Gotta get out of here.
Man, this guy sucks for stealing shit. Or trying to equip stuff silently.
Something useful.
I do like this dude because you can.
Fresh as it gets. Drink up now. I got it! I got it!
Oh man. Go, 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 go! Oh shit! Oh man, dude, this is not good.
How do we get out of here? Think.
Fuse box to open this one. One dude died. Thought he escaped.
Shit. Quiet. Hey, what's coming to you now?
That's it.
This is for your own good.
Well, damn.
Just in case.
See if these guys can get out, huh? That obviously was not the game for us. These guys look like they got it though. You can't be moving when he yells like that. She's got to turn that off. Where's this girl at? Oops. Oh. This chick's probably got the best shot of getting out of here right now.
This will be useful. This will help. Taking well.
They're both getting the gist of it though, for sure. Nope, this girl's not. Found the fuse. She's got 2 fuses. That shit is scary as fuck.
Think. Just look around, Connie.
Damn, walked right into it. It's crazy. Not even moving. Uh-oh. Huh. Oh, the chainsaw wasn't even on.
That was loud.
Didn't even have his chainsaw on. It's crazy. Uh-oh. That's exactly how you're supposed to play the game. Silent. Dead silent.
These people are doing so damn twisted.
So she's getting the fuse box done. She don't know what she's doing now.
Oh, this hurts. Bad.
She might get it. She's got it.
It's open.
And she's got the electrical grid out. She's gone. I think this girl's gonna, yep.
Shut you up if you just
Well,
listen.
not a bad first episode, man. Not gonna lie. It was definitely a fun game, 100%. Let's see in the next episode. Hopefully, we can get out of here alive, man. We'll probably make like 2 or 3 episodes out of this one video. So, next episode will be see if we can get it, man.